Flexibility is key. We've found that to be true. I know you guys really value flexibility, return on investment, that type of thing. When we're talking about this pallet changer, and the machine is running right now, I think you've already mentioned it, but I just want to reconvey that information. We can open this door. We can take out a part. We can put a new part in. As you said, it's not a dummy machine. You can run separate projects continuously.
Absolutely, yeah. And in fact, whenever we have a shorter batch run, we can, as one gets shuttled out of the machine that's just complete and it loads another block, if you allow the pallet changer time to load the pallet, then opening the door, scheduling new pallets, loading a new block, and flagging it as ready is it takes just a few minutes, and the machine can just run continuously. It's really powerful.